The world turned upside down when hit by the deadly COVID-19 virus. The global pandemic forced many students to opt for online modes of learning. However, online learning has a unique set of challenges, especially regarding lowered productivity and hampered quality of learning. If the online mode has affected your learning experience, this article will help you find ways to make the most online learning. There are various online learning platforms available for students today. You should opt for the one that provides you with the comfort of learning. Following are the 4 ways you can take good advantage of online learning. 1. Manage time wisely. Time management is one of the most critical soft skills you must consider while opting for online learning. With proper time management, you will develop a more structured and disciplined study approach. If you learn to manage your time, it will be easier to keep distractions at bay and work more efficiently. But how would you go about time management in online learning? You first need to prepare a timetable by considering the timings of your learning sessions. You can prepare a timetable on paper or with the help of a dedicated app for the same. It will help you keep track of your daily classes and activities. Along with the timetable, you should reserve a space, especially for the purpose of study. It will help you get rid of distractions. But the place you are choosing for study should be quiet and comfortable. A proper timetable, along with suitable study space, helps you focus better and improve your productivity by manifolds. 2. Develop a goal-oriented approach. You must have mastered the art of time management, but all your efforts will not suffice if you miss on goal-setting part. You must inculcate a goal-oriented approach and set a clear target for yourself. Having a proper goal in place will keep you on track. Goal setting will also help you avoid doing stuff that isn't that important. It provides a more focused way of looking at your tasks and responsibilities. However, goal setting is not about having a single primary goal. Instead, it means that you have multiple small goals that you need to accomplish on a timely basis. For example, if you are taking online classes to learn the French language, you must set the target whether you want to learn basic French or acquire proficiency in the language. Moreover, you can set the target if you want to learn it for future travel plan or professional requirements. Such an approach helps you streamline your learning efforts. 3. Decide your study plan and study blocks. Following a rigorous study plan may exhaust your brain. Also, it's not practical that way. Therefore, you must dedicate some time daily for study blocks as well. A study block is a time that you purposefully utilize for pursuing your hobbies and interests. It will refresh your mind and keep you motivated to resume work. You can communicate with your instructor about your schedule and the time you have allotted for other activities as a study block. This way, you can handle your online learning more realistically. E-learning platforms should provide such study plans and blocks so that students can effectively manage their learning times. 4. Take proper advantage of online resources. Online learning has a significant advantage when it comes to the availability of an ample amount of resources. If you happen to miss something in your online class session, you can anytime seek its explanation online. Learning becomes so much easier with the availability of vast resources. However, it might be overwhelming at times. It is necessary for you to clarify the topic you are searching for, which information can fulfill your requirements. You can also take your mentor's help to search for the right things at the right places. Concluding thoughts. Online learning has unique set challenges and benefits. While you can take great advantage of the benefits offered by them, you should also know how you can overcome the challenges presented by it. With proper guidance, you can make most of online learning. This video has discussed 4 ways in which you can make online learning easy for you. A Bill Must production.